Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with PK. So in this class, I will be telling you who was Selector Specificity in CSS, and I will cover 11th part of CSS. It is my 12th part, so I hope you can enjoy this part and enjoy this video, and your concept will be clear from this video. So now I will not take you long time, so let's start the video. I will be telling you specific rules in CSS. So now let's start the video. So first of all, I will be open my Sublime Text Editor, and then I will be open my Sublime Text Editor. So now it is my next video. What will be I will tell you. And now first of all I will be open that. So will be open it. So I will be side by side because you are a beginner level. Save, refresh, and nothing will come. So first of all I will tell you a starting code. So HTML. You can write it. This comes to my topic is specificity rules in CSS. So first of all here, then I will be press enter, and here I will be also write specificity rules in CSS. Every brush it is come easily as here you can see. Then I will be small it now. Here I will be tell you specificity rules in CSS. What is specificity rules in CSS? So now first of all here you can write input type should be enter your name, and here you can go and here you can write placeholder should be email, enter your name. Then save, refresh, it is come like easily as here. And now the here is coming like that. So here you can go here you can write input type, enter your password, and the name should be type, and the placeholder should be enter your password, enter input type should be enter your final password, and here you can write type, and here you can write like and here I will be write password, and the name should be here I will be also write password. And now there you can save, then refresh it. It is coming like that. So you are saying that here is not coming like that on that too. So why it is not coming? Because the important one thing is placeholder. You cannot define a placeholder, so nothing will do. Enter your final password, then save, then refresh. So it is coming like that. But my opinion is it is coming in the down way. So it is coming the down way. You can only do BR tag and enter BR tag, and here you can write BR tag, then BR tag, then save, then refresh. So it is coming like that. It is a specificity rules in CSS I will be telling you in this class. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Like that video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in the next class. For today, good.